And as Mr. West is saying that, Mr. Istelar Gonzalez is shaking his head side to side. So I'm going to still have an interpreter. He's going to end up paying for the interpreter. Yes, you are. You're going to end up paying for the interpreter. He's shaking his head already.
In Judge MCN's Michigan courtroom, things took an unexpected turn when a man strolled in wearing shorts and holding a dog on a leash. He claimed he couldn't speak English and demanded an interpreter. But the moment the judge spoke, he responded perfectly. Realizing the act, the judge made him pay for the interpreter himself. A small but satisfying dose of courtroom karma.
David Istelar Gonzalez, 25W836565. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shenton here and yes, my client who approaches.
Your name, sir? Your name again? All right, you're still under oath.
Judge, I can articulate. In this circumstance, there's a reason why we're asking for the briefs of adjournment is my client indicates he actually has a video of his own, which will provide additional information to the prosecution as well as the defense if this matter were to go to trial. I'm asking for the shortest adjournment because it's a dash cam video that he could not provide today. And he wasn't told prior to bring it. I can't speak as to what another attorney did. But this would be the final adjournment with either a plea.
Well, this is just the arraignment first time anyway because we needed an interpreter.
Understood. And I've also encouraged my client to potentially speak to an immigration lawyer. He is not a United States citizen, but he is here legally. But I wanted to be aware of any potential conviction possibilities associated with this case.
Was the victim's vehicle, I don't want to, it's just strange. It says he maliciously damaged the victim's passenger side mirror. Let me call in Mr. West. That's better. Mr. West, can you hear me? If you can, sir, can you come in here, please?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll be right there.
Thank you. So we're going to adjourn it 2 weeks. I will give you the date. Mr. West, your name?
Josh West, appearing on behalf of the people.
All right. Can you enlighten me here? It looks like he allegedly damaged the victim's vehicle that was at the Woodhaven Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a road rage incident. The victim in this matter drove to the Woodhaven Police Department and the defendant followed him. And we've got a video that shows him karate kicking the mirror of the victim's vehicle.
Your Honor, the video is not a perfect video. We'd like to see what my client's video might have shown.
You should consult with an immigration lawyer, sir. I'm going to give you a $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You're not to have any contact with the victim or prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer.
Road rage never ends well, and this case proved it again. A driver lost his temper, slammed into a parked car, and then acted like it wasn't his fault, even though the whole thing was caught on video. Judge McNally kept calm, but you could tell she was done with the excuses. It's simple. If you can't control your emotions behind the wheel, you shouldn't be driving at all.
You cannot possess firearms or dangerous weapons. Also, you have to go over today to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department. Today, by noon. So just so you know, Ms. Interpreter, find it interesting that staff was telling me last time that he didn't need an interpreter. He came in acting like he couldn't speak English. Mr. West comes in.
He's asking for the interpretation.
Go ahead, you can interpret that.
Lo que me es que si lo digo que parecía que no necesitaba un intérprete, pero
Mr. West comes in and tells me that they have video of the defendant karate kicking the victim's mirror. And as Mr. West is saying that, Mr. Istalar Gonzalez is shaking his head side to side. So I'm gonna still have an interpreter. He's gonna end up paying for the interpreter. Yes, you are. You're gonna end up paying for the interpreter. He's shaking his head already. You're going to end up,
I need my medication, he said.
what's that have to do with him?
¿Qué tiene que ver eso con esto?
He's paying for the interpreter. He's paying for the
Si va
interpreter.
a pagar por interpreter.
We're giving you a new court date in 2 weeks, and that will be on July the 23rd, right, Lisa?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock in the morning.
A las 10 in person.
Thank you, Mr. West.
Thank you.
Is that a person or Zoom interview?
In person.
Person.
Judge, if I could make one inquiry, Mr. Shemke, do you want a discovery order?
No, that won't be necessary.
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge.
And he has to go over today to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department.
Tiene que ir el día de hoy para que salgan huellas y fotos en el departamento de policía de Woodhaven.
Okay?
But I have to go to work.
You're going now.
No, usted tiene que ir
You're going now.
But I need my medication.
Listen,
Me escuchan.
you're going to the Woodhaven Police Department today. I already said by, what did I say? You're going by 1 p.m. today, okay? This is not open for debate, okay? By 1 p.m. today. If you don't, that's a violation of the bond condition. And if you violate the bond condition, you better bring a lot of money with you to the next court date, because I'm gonna hold a hearing. And if I determine you didn't go over there today, you're gonna end up posting a lot of money or sitting in jail pending the next hearing. You understand what I'm telling you, sir? He's shaking his head no again. You understand what I'm telling you?
But I didn't do anything.
Sir,
Señor.
sir,
Señor.
look at me. Look at me.
Mírame.
They don't pay me to debate.
No me pagan.
I'm not debating with
No
you.
estoy aquí para disculpar.
You understand what I just said to you?
¿Entiende eso? ¿Entiende lo que
Do you understand what I just said to you?
Entiendo lo que acabo
You enjoy the presumption of innocence, but you're not going to ignore orders.
Sí, es inocente, se quedó probando por
Period.
pero no puedo dar órdenes aquí.
Good luck. Go over there today or you're going to have a big problem. Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you, Judge.
It's amazing how often people try to outsmart the courtroom with excuses that fall apart in seconds. This time, it was another performance, a man pretending not to understand English just to stall the process. But Judge MCN saw right through it. Instead of losing her cool, she handled it with calm authority. Honestly, moments like this show that patience in a courtroom can be more powerful than punishment. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it.